Hey guys, Justin with Paragon Performance. Today we're going to be installing our C8 Corvette carbon fiber rear strut tower covers. These are going to add a little bit of carbon fiber to the back of your engine bay, as well as protect those strut towers from collecting any water, dirt, or debris. Let's get to the install. First thing we're going to do is locate your rear strut tower. This is where the cover is going to sit. If you don't have mag ride, don't worry about this next step. We're going to be disconnecting the mag ride connector. For those of you with mag ride, locate this connector, grab yourself a small flathead screwdriver and pull this red safety clip down. Using your flathead, you're going to release the inside safety clip and pull the connector down and away. Now that we have the mag ride connector disconnected, we are going to remove this clip from the Christmas tree. To do that, you're going to go on the bottom side of the connector. There's a little tab. Use your flathead screwdriver and pry. And while prying, push down and they'll get removed. Now that we have the mag ride disconnected, we are going to take the strut cover and pass it through the center hole and align it with the dowel here and place it like this. Once your strut tower cover is on, use the supplied hardware to tighten over the bolts. These just need to be hand tight, no power tools are needed. Now that those three nuts are on, we are going to reinstall the connector and plug it back in. Don't forget the red safety clip. Repeat the steps for the other side. There you guys have it. Pretty easy install. Add some carbon fiber to the back of your engine bay, as well as protect those rear strut towers. As always, like, subscribe, and comment. We'll see you guys next time.